All right, we got in the brand new Yealink UH38 wired headset. This is a premium wired headset that can connect to your computers and also your Bluetooth mobile devices. I'm excited to get into this review because Yealink has not made premium products before, so this is their entry into the premium headset business space. So I'm excited to get into this review, and of course we are going to test out the microphone with our signature blender test and other noise canceling tests, so stay tuned for that. So let's get started right now. For those of you that are new here, my name is David. This is the channel Headset Advisor, where we review and compare all the latest headsets, speakerphones, and webcams to help you make a better buying decision. So consider hitting that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. The design of the UH38 wired headset has an all black design, and they actually put a leather type finish on top of the ear cups. Kind of gives a little more texture rather than just being all plastic. And on the ear cushions, they can fully rotate 300 or 180 degrees so that you can place the headset flat on your desk. But the ear cushions are made from a soft leather cushion material, which I always find to be the most comfortable. And the headband is wrapped with leather as well, so it is a soft cushion at the top of your head and also has a foam material, so it does feel softer on the top of your head. Now the UH38 is also a unique product because it is a wired headset that connects into your computer with the included USB-A cable, but you can also pair it up to your mobile phones, so you can have two devices at one time. So it allows you to combine your iPhone or your mobile phones, tablets, as well as your computers, so you can use one headset for all your needs, and you don't need to use a different headset for your mobile phone and a different one for your computer. So that gives you a little bit more value with what you can connect this headset to. And of course, we're going to test out the sound quality here later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. It also has a 360-degree LED light, so you can tell when you're on a phone call on both sides of the headset. The microphone boom swivels down and can only be worn on the right side of your face. It cannot be worn on the left side. That's just the way they've designed it. It has an adjustable headband, so you can find a fit that is best for you, as we all have different size and shape heads, and it works very smoothly when you are adjusting the headband. And it comes with a soft neoprene type material that helps keep your headset protected. It isn't a hard case, but it still gets the job done. And with the UH38, there is a controller halfway down the cable, which gives you access to some buttons. If you have the Microsoft Teams version, you can access your Microsoft Teams client with the press of a button. You also can control your volume, so you can increase or decrease your volume, as well as mute your microphone or unmute it. And you can use either the computer or the mobile phone with the press of a button on the controller. And it has a nice little clip here, so you can attach the controller to your shirt or to your belt, or whichever you want to connect it to, maybe the bottom of your shirt as well. So it gives you flexibility of where the controller can actually be attached. The headset connects to the computer with the USB connection that comes included. Now, what's unique about this headset is that it actually is a Bluetooth headset as well. So pairing up this headset to your mobile phone is simple. You just press and hold the cell phone icon on the controller, and you'll see a blue and red flashing light underneath the icon, and then you'll find the UH38 on your phone's Bluetooth settings. Get it paired up to your mobile phone. Now, what's cool about this is that there's actually a battery located inside the headset, so you can unplug the headset from the computer and take this with you and have it wirelessly connected to your mobile phone, it does still have about this 3-foot cable that includes with the controller, but it does give you the freedom to be able to take this headset with you and use it for your mobile phone. So imagine if you are listening to music on your mobile phone and you can just step away from your desk and still listen to that music. You could even take phone calls from your mobile phone and use this professional grade headset as a wireless headset and take it with you on the go. Then when you're ready to plug it back into your computer, simply plug back in the USB-C cable and connect it and have it connected to your computer very seamlessly. So that's a very nice benefit to this headset, where I haven't reviewed any headsets on this YouTube channel that have this feature. So that is something unique and I found very beneficial. Now the speakers on the UH38 sound remarkably good. I wasn't expecting a lot as far as the audio quality. I was anticipating it sounding a little flat and not a lot of volume, but what we got when listening to a variety of music is it actually sounds quite good. You have a good range in bass, and I found it enjoyable to listen to music, and I'm sure our editors are going to play me dancing here on this video on how much I was enjoying that. So the audio quality as far as phone calls, video meetings, and music sounds good on the Yealink UH38. But let us test out the microphone, as it has 2 noise canceling mics, which is important if you want to sound good on your phone calls and also your conference calls. So we're going to take it through our noise canceling test, including our signature blender test. So let's get started. Headset Advisor is a family-owned business founded by my father, Doug Merritt, in 1994. Our mission has always been to provide you such great service, you'll be our customer for life and refer your friends. You wouldn't think choosing a headset for your business needs would be a challenge. With all the different brands, models, and misinformation online, it quickly gets confusing and can be a frustrating experience. When you work with us, we have all the answers to your questions and can quickly match you with the best compatible headset for your unique needs. We provide just about any headset you need and are experts with all of them. So we have no vested interest in which brand or model you choose. Our goal is to ensure you get the right headsets based on what's most important to you. Also, we're experts with all headset brands we provide, so we're here to help ensure you have a great working headset at all times. You're never passed off to the manufacturer or some third party for support. Whether you have a question about compatibility, need a recommendation, or want help with your existing headsets, contact us today and one of our advisors in California are ready to assist. So what did you think of the overall performance on the microphone on the UH38? Both as far as sound quality and as far as noise canceling. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Would love to hear what you think about this microphone on this headset. You have a couple different versions of the UH38 depending upon your needs. It comes in a single speaker option or a dual speaker option if you want to cover up both ears or leave one ear open so you can hear what's going on around you. Then there's the Microsoft Teams version or the UC version. And the only difference between those two is, the easiest way I can explain this is, if you use Microsoft Teams exclusively for the most part, or 90% of the time, you'll want to get the Microsoft Teams version. Now, if you use Microsoft Teams and you use Zoom, Google Meet, and a variety of other communication apps at the same time, you'll want to go with the UC version. That's just so the headset is designed to work with Microsoft Teams and will only answer and end Microsoft Teams and be optimized for Microsoft Teams. They'll both still work, but our recommendation is, if you're using Microsoft Teams like 90% or less of the time, you'll go with the UC version so that it works better with the other apps you're using as well. To get the current pricing, you can check it out on our website. The link will be in the video description below, as well as the link right up here on the screen. So go check it out there for current pricing, and make sure you use coupon code YouTube, all one word. That works on our website and will give you a big discount on this headset. And when you purchase through our website, headsetadvisor.com, it helps support our small family-owned business and allows us to keep making these videos. So we greatly appreciate any of the support you provide to us. So thank you in advance for that. Now, going into my final thoughts here, the overall Yealink UH38 is a very unique wired headset because it has that Bluetooth option built into the headset, which gives you more flexibility and freedom into what you can use your headset for. Allows you to use one headset for most of your communication needs, as a lot of us are working on the computer and also on our mobile phones, so you can use one headset for all your communication needs, as well as you can use it almost wirelessly with this headset and take it with you on the go with your mobile phone, which gives you even more freedom and flexibility. The speaker sound quality sounds fantastic, it's comfortable, and the microphone sounds very natural and sounds good. I wish it had a little bit more noise cancellation, but I'm sure they're going to make updates and improvements to that microphone here in the very near future, as some of the previous Yealink models I tested, the WH series, had some of the best noise canceling technology that we've tested on this channel. And many people like to use a wired headset for the reliability's sake. You know, it's just a headset, you don't have to worry about the battery life, and it's just plug and play, and typically will save you money compared to wireless. So if you're looking for a wired headset, this is one you're gonna want to look at. The overall design looks cool, has that 360-degree LED light so people know when you're on a phone call. Overall, I think it's worth checking out. So if you enjoyed this video, but you want to check out a wireless option, check out this video right here. We did a review of the Yealink WH series wireless headsets. I think you might find that video helpful. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. But I really appreciate you watching this video. Thanks a lot, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.